Hello and welcome to part 3 of this 3-part how-to series all about cloud backup for virtual machines. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2 yet, go do that now. We've provided links in the description below. In this video, technical marketing engineer Ankita Diwali will demonstrate how to use cloud backup for virtual machines to quickly restore an entire virtual machine as well as an individual virtual machine disk or VMDK. Ankita, take it away.
Hi, welcome back to part 3 of this demo series protecting Azure NetApp Files, NFS data stores and VMs using cloud backup for virtual machines in Azure VMware Solution. Let's begin with the agenda. So far in part 1 we have covered installation of cloud backup for virtual machine via run command, and in part 2 we talked about backup of Azure NetApp Files, data stores and VMs. This third part of this demo series covers restores of Azure NetApp Files, VMs and particular VMDKs. For that, let's go to vSphere client and to the virtual machine that you wish to restore. You right click on it and select NetApp Cloud Backup and Restore. Here you can search for the backup from which you want to restore. For this demonstration purpose, I'll be using the latest snapshot that is available. You click on Next. From a restore scope standpoint, we have entire virtual machine level as well as particular virtual disk level. Let's restore the entire virtual machine. If you wish, you can restart VM. Currently, we support restore to original location only. So let's keep it as it is and click on Next. Select the destination data store and the location and click Next. You review it and you say Finish. The restore has been initiated now. We can always go back to the cloud backup for virtual machine to the dashboard, and you can see that the restore is running. You refresh it and restore has been finished now. So let's go back to the inventory and see the virtual machine whether it's available or not. Yes, so virtual machine is now available. Now it's time to look at the VMDK level restoration. For that, let's go to the Windows machine. Here I have created a drive called added A. And if we go inside that drive, we will see that there is a folder and couple of files inside that folder. Now, I am purposefully going to delete the entire folder. So the folder is gone. Let's go back to the Windows machine, right click, select NetApp Cloud Backup and say Restore. Let's select the backup, click Next. Now the restore scope will be particular virtual disk. It will enlist all the disks that are available. If you know the exact location where that file was, you can select that particular VMDK, but for now I'll be selecting both. You click on Next, you select the location and then say Next. You review the summary and finish. That's it. The restore job has been triggered now. Again, let's go back to the cloud backup for virtual machine dashboard and check for the current status. So restore job is in progress. Let's refresh it and see if it is finished or not. So restore job has been finished successfully. Let's go back to the Windows machine and see if the folder is back or not. Yes, we have successfully restored all the files and the folder. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching the 3-part demo series on protecting Azure NetApp Files, NFS data stores and VMs using cloud backup for virtual machine in Azure VMware Solution.